Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how to trade uptrend or downtrend with major order block for valid entry. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So let's get started. I'm going to be using a downtrend market. A downtrend, whether you are trading on a downtrend or an uptrend market. With major order block, you are going to have a valid entry. And so let's say we have a structure like this, a downtrend market structure this way. So first thing you need to do is to get a clear market structure. After you get a clear market structure which creates the BOS, maybe you are using 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 5 minute time frame. It depends on the time frame you are using and your account size, lot size. Make sure you know how much you are risking. Calculate your risk management and practice this strategy with your demo account. So let's get started. Here we have a break of structure right here, which create our BOS, break of structure here. So after we have marked our break of structure, we need to mark our lower high. We need to mark our lower high. This is our major lower high. These are major lower high right here. So after identify our major low high right here, so one thing you need to do is to wait for the market to reverse back to the order block. You are going to identify your order block below this major high right here. This major high, you are going to identify your order block. Once the market have not above this, go or break this major high, you did not have change of character here. So that means market is still on a downtrend. So with this order block, you can enter market with this order block and set your stop loss above it. If you are trading uptrend, you are going to set your stop loss below it. So after you have get your confirmation on the market, enter your order block or touch your order block, then start selling. Sell and set your take profit below at the another break of structure which creates EOS. But before the market go reverse back to your order block, market can't move straight directly to your order block. So right here, let's identify our last high. Our last high right here. So the market will do something like this, go like this. What the market is creating is minor high and low, not a major high and low, not a major high and low. Once the market touch your order block that you have already identified, the market will do its thing normally and change character here to go on a downtrend again. What happens here? What happens here is major high and low, not a minor high and low, sorry, not a major low. That's why some people target market here and enter trade here is forming a break of structure right here, and you right here you enter buy, and the small move, the market move slowly and reverse back and hit your stop loss, because you are trading a minor trend, not a major trend. Stop trading minor trend and trade major trend, maybe on your starting from 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours time frame. Identify your order block, and enter with your order block. Set your stop loss above it and your take profit at the last low, which creates another break of structure. So that's how to trade a major order block. So let me show you on a real chart right here on how to on the real chart right here. So firstly, we have to identify our high and low. Our high, our low, which create our break of structure. This is our high, this is another high, creating a break of structure again. So this is another high, which creates another break of structure right here. So something happens here. So what happened right here? Why did the market reverse from this point? Why did market reverse from this point? What makes our order block valid most is to have a fair value gap, a space below our order block, with imbalance. We have an imbalance right here, which is our fair value gap right here. That is why this order block, this small order block, was valid. And if you take entry from here, it is still a minor order block, not a major order block. So trading from here is 50-50, because we are still having our order block right here and our imbalance right here, fair value gap right here, large one that have not been already tested. Are you getting me? That have not been already tested. So I prefer trading from here, trading from this order block, trading from this order block. Your entry will be here, your take profit, your stop loss will be above it, and your take profit will be the last lower low. This is how to trade. This is what pro trader do, day trader does. They wait for the market to get back into the valid order block and to enter for selling opportunity. So if you are trading on a minor order block, or you are using minor order block to trade, you will keep on ending losing your profit back. Maybe you are in a profit already, you will just stop using. Market can do something like this after reaching this order block like this and break the order block and do something like this. But if you can't wait for the market to enter the valid order block, you are going to see that you sell right here, but the market did not reach your breakup structure right here before you hit your stop loss. So practice this strategy with your demo account and trade with valid order block. Identify your, maybe on a uptrend or downtrend market, identify your market properly and wait for the market to enter your order block to have a 99% of winning trade. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so that you won't be missing a valid video content like this. Happy trading.